Okay, in a previous lesson, you learn how to convert image to the video, and then this is more powerful. You can type a prompt, text to the video. It's very simple. I think it's better than creating an image. And you can type your prompt here. I prepare a prompt there. What is that? A girl is playing with her doll on the surface of the moon. In the background, the girl is the earth, and the sky is blue with the pink clouds. And the style, you can make it some which style do you want? Cinematic, I think. You can choose ratio that you want. This ratio. You can activate motion intensity. In this case, I don't want to increase the number of that, decrease the number. A little motion I need. And let's try. Let's try to convert this prompt text to video. It's interesting. Or you can enhance your type words. Let's waiting for converting text to video. Okay, it's done and interesting. Yeah. Let's add motion and make it file, enhance it. Let's AI add my text. The moon surface is emitted by the wow. Let's try this again. If you generate and generate, it's create other place with other settings. If you generate one more, it generates another image. It's not similar to previous. Okay, let's see with this prompt. The sky above, the sky is orange with a pink cloud. Sea, there's mother. Wow, it adds a lot of things. Let's see what happened. And this enhanced prompt is very interesting. I add some words, it's converted to more aspect. For example, the distance, a young girl wearing a pink dress, holding a doll, floats in the air. It adds a lot of other things here. What happened? Okay, it's done and see what happened. Nice. But I can't see any toys here at all. Okay, that's interesting. You can enhance your prompt with a little word here and change the style. If you need more motion, animation, increase or decrease that if you don't want. If you generate one more, it creates another image for you. Okay, for using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.